What's good? Look, before y'all go anywhere, we gonna play a little game, all right? Got two judges over here. I'm the only one that can hear the music playing in my ears. They're gonna guess what genre I'm listening to. What you got for me? What you got for me?
I'm going with the devil. Wait, who?
No, it's the genre. It's the
Latino music, Spanish music.
that's kind of That's the type of vibe I had.
We're thinking.
I went with country because you tilt the hat.
Country music.
Yeah. All thing you gotta do is tilt the hat.
What you going with? What you going with? Okay. Hey, my dogs know me, dog. My dogs know me.